Then Mickey Maloney back his head.
Then Mickey Maloney ducks his head. When a nugget of whiskey blew at him, it slipped and falling on the bed. The liquid poured over
The corpse revives, see how he rises.
Why?
See Finnegan rising from the bed.
Yes, yes.
Why a risky roll like that?